Hello, this is our machine shop laboratory, and this laboratory is directed by Mechanical Engineering Department, Dhaka University of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see some important mechanical machine, and the first type of machine is called drilling machine, and this machine consists of a base, spindle, trowel, column, etc. And this type of machine is performed for tapping called internal threading system, centering, counterboring and countersinking operation, and this is important machine in tool room and especially for machine tool industries. The second type of machine is called metal cutting machine and used for cutting a large cylindrical bar or mild steel bar, and it is important machine in machine tool because work with a large type of bar is very difficult, so it is easier with working with a small type of bar, and it is done by this type of machine. And the third type of machine is called shaper machine, and this is special name is hydraulic shaper and operated by fluid, and the important parts of machine is include ram, shaper head, base, and is used for dovetail cutting, grooving and T-slot, etc. The fourth type of machine is generally known as grinding machine and is used for surface grinding, centerless grinding, center grinding, and it is used for large type of grinding, especially in industry, tool room industry, etc. And it is also this type of grinding machine and used for surface grinding for accurate work. And here is some important part like trowel, base, column, and motor. Different type of hand wheel for controlling trowel and movement of the work. This is also such type of machine and used for also surface grinding. And here is some important part where see, and it is generally known as lathe machine. Actually, lathe machine is the mother machine of engineering industry, and any machine or any part of the machine can be produced by lathe machine. Lathe machine consists of main 5 parts like bed, headstock, tailstock, carriage, coefficient, gearbox, and its important part is carriage because it consists of several type of saddle, tool post, compound rest, compound slide. There are many type of operation performed by lathe machine include turning include taper turning, stud turning, rimming, facing, centering, drilling, knurling, and more other many work are performed by lathe machine. Lathe machine is the most important and most necessary machine in any machine tool industry or any tool room work. And here we see some different type of lathe machine. It is a older version because this lab is about 30 or 40 years ago this machine established in this lab, and it is imported from Russian Federation. Here we see some chip tray, zipper, keep on this tray, and here is called continuous zip, and on the second port we see some discontinuous zip. In practical lab, continuous zips is more preferable with chip breaker. Here with some mean controlling device with some old version lathe. And here is our some important type of machine like milling machine, and we see here two type of milling machine: vertical milling machine and horizontal milling machine. Vertical milling machine is called when the arbor is lies with y-axis, and horizontal milling machine is called when arbor is lies with x-axis. And it is called vertical milling machine because its arbor is along y-axis, and it is called horizontal milling machine because its arbor is along x-axis. The milling machine consists of several parts like column, base, table, saddle, etc. And the operation performed by is gear cutting, thread cutting, and keyway cutting, slot cutting, etc. And this is also special type of milling machine here. And our last machine include grinding machine, and it is especially called bench grinding machine, and is for very simple tool room work and household work we can use it. And here we some poster about the caution by using machine shop, and some special designation and some special parts of different type of machine like lathe machine, their parts and operation platform, milling machine, their important part here, and here is the some another type of milling machine here, and here it is some worm here related to indexing of milling machine, and here some other type of machine and their important part, and here is also some parts of milling machine here. And this is our wall of our lab, and we see some important information regarding different type of machine by using it. And this is our two labs of machine shop, and thank you for watching this kind of video, and